Okay guys, so hello everyone, please welcome to my channel Tech Boss. And guys, let us begin today's daily tech news, which is episode number 20. Okay guys, so our very first news coming from WhatsApp is that the new feature of WhatsApp that allows up to 8 people in a voice call or a video call has just been released, their update. So this update is just for the iOS or the iPhone users, but for the Android users I think it will take up to 1 week or so. Then each and every Android phone are also going to get this feature in WhatsApp. So guys, let's move on. Okay guys, so our next news coming from Samsung is that their Galaxy Buds are going to get a new update, just unlike the Galaxy Buds Plus, some connectivity features. And guys, the most important interesting feature that has been added is the addition of the Microsoft Swift pair. Okay guys, so our next news coming from LG about their model LG Velvet. So guys, first of all, this phone is going to be having a 48 megapixels of triple rear camera setup at the back, and the design of this camera will be a raindrop design, means raindrop designing sensor at the back. So guys, the camera will be a 48 megapixels plus 8 megapixels plus 2 megapixels. And interestingly, it is going to be having from Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset or maybe from Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. I'm not sure about that. Okay guys, the most highlighted feature of this smartphone is that this phone has been certified as wireless charging, and it can support up to 10 watts of wireless charging. So guys, let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, so our next news coming from Google is that about their model Google Pixel 4a. Some images and leaks are out of this model, and the release date is I think going to be in 1.5 weeks. That means in the next month, of course. So guys, let's see. First of all, it is going to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset. Guys, now let us talk about the bezels. The bezels at the top and the bottom, they are going to be very much thinner this year. And interestingly, just because there are going to be a punch hole selfie camera in the front, means the selfie camera is going to be a punch hole. And guys, it will have a 5.81 inches of OLED display along with a 60 Hz of refresh rate. So guys, now let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, our next news coming from Apple is that their Apple AirPods 3 and their Apple AirPods 3 Pro and their Apple AirPods Pro 2, these are the 3 AirPods that are in works, and this is going to be releasing very soon, maybe in the next quarter of a month or so. Means it can come around I think November, December, or maybe in the next year. So these are the 3 AirPods that are going to be released from Apple. Okay guys, so our next news coming from Xiaomi is that about their Mi MIUI 12 that has been released yesterday, means April 27th. Some excellent and some cool features that have been brought in this update. So some security features, some new animations, and some many privacy concerns as well has been updated in this Mi MIUI 12. Okay guys, so a total of 42 mobile phones are going to get this update. So first of all comes the Redmi K30 Pro, the Redmi K30, the Redmi K20 Pro, the Redmi K20, the Mi 10 series, and the Redmi Note 9 series. These are the first batch of mobile phones that are going to get the Mi MI 12 absolutely first. And guys, the rest such as the Redmi Note 8 Pro, the Redmi Note 8, the Note 7 or Note 6, they're also going to get this update, but after this first batch. So guys, let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, so our final news coming from again Xiaomi is that their Mi 10 Youth 5G edition has been launched in China. So guys, let us talk about the details and the specifications of the smartphone, because that smartphone is going to come in India as well. Okay guys, now let us talk about the details. So first of all, this phone comes in 3 variants. First of all, 6GB 64GB, 6GB 128GB, and 8GB 128GB, and another I think that I'm not sure that variant will come in India or not, that is 8GB and 256GB. Okay guys, so the camera setup is going to be 4 camera setup at the back. That means it is a quad camera setup, and it will consist of 8 megapixels plus 48 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus again 8 megapixels. The 48 megapixels is also of the main camera. It's mainly the main camera, means the main sensor, and one of them is the 8 megapixels of telephoto that can allow you up to 50x of periscopic zoom or 50x of digital zoom. So guys, let's see. And it also contains about 5x of optical zoom along with 10x of hybrid zoom. So guys, the battery is of 4160 milliamperes of battery, means 4160 milliamperes of battery that will support up to maybe 18 watts of fast charging, because the fast charging capability has not yet been known. So guys, let's see, and as soon as I get to know more details and more specifications, I will be of course updating you all. Okay guys, so by this news we just came to the end of our daily tech news, and I hope you enjoyed it. Then please give me a like, and if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon for getting regular updates. And guys, have a fantastic day, alright?